The Dynamics GP homepage, also referred to as a dashboard, provides a means of obtaining easy access to information that you need for your job. The general steps in any dashboard development are to define the objective, determine information needs, and, if creating dashboards for others, seek users' input, then build and test the dashboard. Now, because the dashboard is dynamic, it should be reviewed periodically and updated as necessary. Dynamics GP homepage is created in two ways, or in two steps. The first step is to select areas for display. The second step is to add content to each of the displayed areas. To define the areas displayed, we would simply select Customize this page. You can see that checked are the To-Do, Quick Links, Connect, which is a series of pages with links to self-help support, information, and training related to Dynamics GP, and then also My Reports. Now, Business Analyzer is not checked. Okay, it's not available at this time, hence it's grayed out. But Business Analyzer's graphical representations of GP data. That can be employees, graphs about employees, customers, vendors, and activities related to each. In addition, there are options for the column layout. The objective of this homepage and this demonstration is to provide information related to the purchasing process, specifically accounts payable. Given that objective, the video will first show the steps taken to add content to the to-do area and the quick links. And then secondly, this video will demonstrate the process of adding content to the My Report area. In the to-do area, we're going to go ahead and click the pencil. That icon allows you to change the content area. So we have GP reminders. Those GP reminders may be predefined or customized. And as we look at the reminder preferences here, we can see that payables due is checked, and that's what is appearing in the content area. Customized reminders can also be created by clicking the New, selecting the magnifying glass, and then searching through the various reports. For example, if we wanted to look at payable transactions, we could then go through the list and determine what we would like to customize as a reminder. As far as tasks, new tasks can be created simply by selecting New Task and then typing in the task, the due date, who the task is assigned to, and whether or not you want that task to be reoccurring. We just have the one task, meet with Carrie, to discuss the status of outstanding accounts payable. The quick links, again, we'll choose the pencil icon, and the quick links allows for links to Microsoft Dynamics Windows, web page, the navigation lists, or to external programs. Currently, we have the payable summary. So the way that this was added was by selecting Add, and this is a Microsoft Dynamics GP window. And you can see the menu groups, very familiar. Well, the one that I had chosen was the Inquiry, within Purchasing, and then it was the Payable Summary. So that is what I selected. And as you can tell, right, for transactions, we have all of our functional areas, the inquiry we just looked at. Likewise for reports and cards, all of our functional areas. To delete a quick link, you would simply highlight and then select the delete button. The My Reports area, if we select the pencil icon to change details, we will see that in the area for the report listing, we have no reports. So before a report will appear, we need to add it to the My Report list. We want to do that as it relates to purchasing. So I'm going to use the navigation pane to go to purchasing, and I'm interested in two reports. One is discounts expiring this week, and the other is an accounts payable trial balance. So I know that the discounts expiring this week is a Smart List report. And I see it's 4 or 5 items down, discounts expiring this week. And I want to add that to my report list. I'm going to go back to purchasing because the accounts payable trial balance is a report. So under reports, I will go ahead and select the trial balance. In this instance, I want the demo. And you can make any changes in this area that would work for you as a user of the report. I'm going to leave it as sorted by vendor for the current date, and I'm going to add it to my reports. I'm not going to name it demo though. I want to be a little more specific, so I'm going to name it accounts payable. Now if we return to the home page, we will see that we have the two reports, discounts expiring this week and age trial balance. If at any point we want to delete those reports, we would simply go to change details, pull this down, and then select remove from. This video is now concluding. It illustrated the creation of Dynamics GP homepage, also referred to as a dashboard, with the objective of providing information related to accounts payable.